I'm going to take a second to talk about what we're looking at right here. These are filters that are behind the USB-C port on this motherboard. And this is a photo directly of the port right after I took it out of the computer. What you're going to watch in this video for the next however long it takes is me struggling to put a filter on the far right point. The reason I struggle so much is because it's extremely tiny, it's extremely tight working space, and I thought this was something that I had removed by accident while I was working on this. Turns out, this guy dropped this computer onto the USB port while the Type-C was actively plugged in. There was other stuff on this board that ended up being damaged that I had no clue about. So all of the time, effort, and energy I put into trying to get this back up and running and get that put on there ended up being completely wasted. So this thing had a lot more damage than I was aware of, and unfortunately, a lot of my time, effort, and energy went into repairing this when there was no way with what I was doing that it was going to.
Yeah, this thing looks like it's going to be a bit to get off of here. That's going to melt.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
We're going to do this again. This is going to be super tight. Do you see all these things back here? Like, jeez. Ooh, that's right. I got something for doing this to make this slightly easier for me. Aluminum tape. So all I want to do is do this. So we're going to cut out that. Leave that folded up. And yeah, that should work out quite well. Like, it doesn't need to be like perfect, but it just needs to cover like the additional components around the side. Okay. So that side looks good. Looks like I might have lost like one of these things fell off. It's been working great, but yeah, it looks like this might have come off. I mean, was that there? Because like it would have just gone straight down, and I don't see it sitting here on the table. Like, seeing as I didn't touch that side, I'll check in a second. Yeah, how in the world am I going to get that on there? Well, I guess I'm gonna install this, and I'm just gonna bridge that. I mean, I don't really have any other choice on that, because whatever that was is now gone. That 100% means it's not gonna work. It's stupid. I'm looking at every little like speck of dust that I'm seeing and saying, "Oh, is that it?" I'm willing to bet that that component is somewhere on this PCB. Because this is the only place that I had it. Ugh, seems messy. Do not touch the LED, he says, as he touches the LED. Yeah, so they all have that on there. These are the finest ones that I have. Don't have continuity that way. Nothing there. Flip. Yeah, they're just coming off now. I barely put any pressure on that. Try 1%. See if it tries to blow itself away. Like, do I even have that on there right? Yeah, that's some heat. Alright, so that's back on there. Still leaves me with the dilemma of what the hell to do with this. Well, I'm just gonna move forward. It's about all I can do. I gotta get going for the night. Alright, we're going to hit this with heat. 10%. Actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? What are you doing, Chris? What's wrong with you? And the question is, do we think we made contact? Well, that seems to have worked. Problem is, I don't know if the ones underneath have worked. And I won't know until I plug in like a tester. Because, I guess while I'm at this, I might as well let me bridge this with something. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.